गण गणपतये नमः। ॐ गण गणपतये नमः। ॐ गण गणपतये नमः।
Very happy to see that everybody are learning and with enjoyment also, because all the last my 9 classes getting lots of views, lots of feedback, and everybody important is there. All you are waiting to learn, waiting for learning, not waiting for watching the video, but they all are so keen to learning. That's a very important thing, and this is hotel management. Day by day is developing. We should learn the things before getting into the college or before getting entered in a job of any of the hotel. So without wasting time, I will start of the continuation of the last classes. We are discussing. We will discuss about the kitchen department, this food production department. So let's see. We will discuss few important things today also. Let's start the class.
Food production department of the hotel is among one of the major departments of the hotel. The role of food production or kitchen department is to prepare food for the guest. The guests who are staying in the hotel rooms, as well as from the outsider walk-in guests also. And those are coming for restaurant, those are coming for banquet, they come for conference, restaurant, and all other outlet. They used to make the food for that. And kitchen used to make the food for staff also, because staff also require the food on duty. The hotel food production and sub department of the hotel kitchen is headed by the executive chef. I already said in my earlier class, the kitchen head is the executive chef. Executive chef is a decision maker. He is the planner, and he is the main authority in the kitchen. He used to run the kitchen department with his subordinates, with his team. Now we will discuss about the different sub department of the kitchen, which is very required to understand what is the use of which kitchen. So sub department, you can see the main kitchen, pantry. First one is main kitchen, then another is pantry, then another is bakery and confectionery, and another is butchery, and another is banquet kitchen. Next is chef's area, next is gardbanjan, and then is commissionery, and then is called walk-ins. So now we will discuss in details all the sub department one by one. So let's start with the main kitchen. This is a large kitchen where the food is prepared for different restaurant or F&B service outlets. The foodware is prepared for the coffee shop, room service, and snacks for the bar. The main kitchen has further subsections such as Indian kitchen, continental kitchen, South Indian kitchen, and tandoor. Main kitchen, you can see the main kitchen have their main kitchen. This has some hotels, maybe they have some sub department as well. Tandoor is there, South Indian is there, some continental is there, Chinese is there, Italian is there. The main kitchen, there is some kitchen sub department is main kitchen. Main kitchen also they have some different co sub department, which is altogether called as main kitchen. And in my earlier class already discussed about the layout. You can see the main kitchen, how all the outlet is there. You can see in kitchen layout we have already discussed. I have already shown in the kitchen layout in my earlier class. Next we will discover the pantry. Then what is pantry? Most of the order from the pantry section, such as tea, coffee, sandwiches, salads, raitas, etc. served. The pantry operate 24 hours. See, pantry, coffee shop, we have already understood the coffee shop is running 24 hours. To all the sandwiches, raitas, salads, need to prepare for throughout the day, for the buffet lunch, dinner, breakfast. So the pantry has to run to give all the supplies throughout the day. So pantry is a place where tea, coffee, sandwich, salad, these are used to make in the pantry. Now another very interesting department is bakery and confectionery. All the bakery items like cakes, pastry, chocolate, muffins are made in this section. Bakery is fully air conditioned, because they need to used to make their dough, needs to make some chocolates, and they are very cookies. Some hotel make their self cookies for the hotel, and bread. They used to make the bread and cake. and cake, different layers of cake you can see. They if hotel used to prefer the hotel made cake, then because if you hotel made cake always has a different taste, and they used to make the hygiene, maintain the hygiene. So sometime guest, if I as a guest, I always prefer to get the cake from the hotel only if I am staying in a hotel. Then is another very good department, which is my favorite department, that is butchery. Butchery is it is the section where all the raw meat supplies such as chicken, mutton, fish, prawns, lobster, etc. are received and cleaned, properly wrapped for the further storage. Butchery, you can see all the chicken you are getting the with bone. Bone you are getting the with bone you are getting the chicken. You need to do some different kinds of cuts. Is there a curry cut, different kinds of cut you need to do. If you are getting some prawns, need to clean the prawns, need to do and then if you're getting lobster, need to clean and pack it with need to do properly wrapped with the foils. They need to keep the deep fridge. And all the mutton cutting, all the fish fillet, fish cutting, chopping, everything is doing in the butchery. Butchery is a very good learning department. If you want to do the training in the butchery, you will learn lot of things. If you want to do some training in the kitchen, I always used to have the kitchen training in the bakery and the butchery, which I like. But all the department is equally important to get the training, but you get as a trainee you can get the best of training in the butchery department and the bakery department. The rest also you can get. And next is the banquet kitchen. Banquet kitchen, they have some bulk cooking is there. 1,000, 1,050, 1,500, 2,000. The bulk is there. Bulk cooking for function happens at this section. It's not, but there are some facility. There are some suppliers. It's like a bulk, and they are cooking not because if you cooking for 10 people in a handi, the handi is different. Utensils is different, but if you want to have to cooking for the 1,000 or have to cook for the at least 500 people, so the preparation and the cutlery cookery has to be different. The supply also different. The stuffing also has to be different. Next comes the Gardmanjan. It is also known as salad house or the factory outlet for salad preparation in bulk. Here cold salads are prepared for banquet parties and coffee shop buffet. Here the cold salad, because this is a department where the cold salad and in bulk, because this is required. This goes to all the times. And this is required in coffee shop. This is required in a restaurant. This is like in the banquet as well. This is the cold. This is salad preparation in bulk. So here cold salads are prepared for all the outlets. Next is come the confectionery. It is the place is section where the storage all the green vegetable in bulk. This is the place you can see. You can go to the earlier pages. If somebody put down the noting, you can see you can see the kitchen layout. There's a vegetable storage is there. Vegetable storage, all the storage vegetable need to store there, because day to day some is required. You can go to the any vegetable you can go to the this stores and commissionary and you can go to get it. Next is come the walk-in. Walk-in, depending upon the size of the hotel, there is a minimum 2-3 walk-in in the refrigerator. One is kept specially 8 degree to store to meat. Walk-in is depend upon the size of the hotel. You can be 2-3, and there's a walk-in inside also where the ice creams, where the meat, some items, because section definitely is there. So ice cream is different, vegetable is different, and some peanuts and all that something is different, and then meat, poultry section also different. But this is required to preserve the food in a high temperature. Then the temperature is almost about the 18 degree. Is also depend upon which food we are storing inside.
So we got the basic idea about the food production department, about the kitchen department, because see, kitchen department is also vast department, not able to cover all the small corner, but I have almost covered the major sections, major areas, basic. We have already understood the basic of the food production department, and then if anybody has any queries, any suggestions, definitely feel free to put the comments. I love to share. I love to give the reply. I love to take your suggestions. and the next class we will discuss about the HRD, Human Resource Department. This is also very important department. Next class we will discuss about the Human Resource Department. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, keep subscribing, please. Important thing is main need to share my videos, and just if you require, just note it down whatever you are learning in the classes and utilize in your practical life. If you are in the hotel industry, or you want to keen to join the hotel industry, or you want to want to admission in the hotel management classes, schools. So thank you for watching. Stay safe.